What's up YouTube peeps? It's me once again. This is Josh, your neophyte YouTube vlogger, and I'll be reacting to another video of Miss Regine Velasquez. In this video na ating papanoorin ngayon ay ang opening number niya doon sa concert niya sa Winnipeg, sa Canada, entitled Songbird Sings. Pin-review ko ng bahagya para malaman ko kung ano yung kanta. So, she's gonna be singing Hotstuff, and this is a song that was included in her retro album. I think the arrangement that she'll be doing here is the same arrangement that she did with Regine 3.0. Let's begin reacting to her singing Hotstuff. Start.
Sitting here eating my heart out of waiting for some lover to call. Dial about 1,000 numbers lately, almost banged the phone on the wall. Looking for some hot stuff, baby, this evening. I need some hot stuff, baby, tonight. I want some hot stuff, baby, this evening. Gotta have some hot stuff, gotta have some love tonight.
Medyo bothered ako sa tunog ng bata.
Looking for a lover who needs a lover. Don't want another night on my own.
Yes, growl, Regine.
Wanna share my love with the one who will live. Wanna have a love of my own. Gotta have some hot stuff, baby, this evening. I want some hot stuff, baby,
I like this arrangement. Sobrang
I want
parang
some hot stuff, baby, this evening. Gotta have some hot stuff, got to have some love tonight. I need some hot stuff. I want some hot stuff. I need some hot love.
yeah.
So hot, 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 hot stuff, hot stuff,
So it's time for the reaction. I've watched and heard Regine sing Hotstuff already countless of times. Isa dito sa narinig ko yung kinanta niya to sa Seoul, Korea where she was wearing blue. So yun yung isa sa napanood kong live na pinerform nito very first nung nirelease yung retro. Napanood ko na rin nakantahin niya ang Hotstuff sa iba't ibang concerts sa TV. I am positive that this is the same version that she did dun sa concert niya na R 3.0. So I like the version. It sounds like a rocker. Regine is singing here. I noticed two vocal breaks, intentional two vocal breaks in this performance, and ang cute nung squeak ng boses niya dun sa parts na yan. Ang galing niya talaga mambali ng song. Basically, if an artist is singing a song, they'd be sticking to how it sounds like. Pero ganun talaga si Regine. She knows, she doesn't perform a song twice. She always make it a point that the song that she performed is different from the previous performances that she did. So, may mga pagkakahawig dun sa mga dating niyang pero she makes it a point na may bali. Alam mo yun, yung tipong it would be different. It can be, it is somehow the same, but there would be a factor that would make it different from the previous performance. So, medyo na-off lang talaga ako. Kanina din dun sa isang video na sinute ko before this, na-off ako dun sa backup vocals. Parang the volume of their mic should be lesser. I have nothing against with the backup vocals, but it doesn't sound really good. Pero Regine sounded very good in this performance, and she's really enjoying the arrangement of a rocker Hotstuff. So masarap tayo dun sa medyo may pagka R&B house mix nung Hotstuff dun sa album niya na Retro, but this is really different. And the way she ended it is with a bang. Yung tipong papalit-palit ng key ng Hotstuff at kung paano niya ibinirit yung huli. And magaling siyang mag-yodel talaga. Ganun din niya ini-end yung dance medley niya na Last Dance. In Last Dance, yung disco medley niya, ganun din. So this is how she always end a rocker dance song. Yung yodel na yung naglalaro siya ng tono pababa pataas. Having said that, she never fails to give the audience what they really need to hear in a concert, and she's very extravagant. That's all I can say. So before I end this video, guys, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you happen to like this video reaction, and the notification bell for you to be updated on my future video uploads, and also leave a comment if you have any suggestions or comments or any request in mind that you want me to do a reaction with. So that's about it. As I end all my videos, please be kind to one another and see you on the next video.